Hello everyone, today we make this animation in Blender. So let's start the video. First, enable ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflections. In color management, look change in none to very high contrast. Now add a UV sphere, also enable cavity. Rotate the sphere 90 degrees along x-axis. Delete the half of sphere and add a mirror modifier. In the sphere, dissolve the center vertex. Now select the face and press Ctrl numpad plus. Then duplicate the faces and press P and click on selection. Enable the clipping in mirror modifier and shade smooth the mesh. Select the center face and enable proportional editing and move the face along y-axis. Now disable proportional editing and move the face along y-axis. Press E to extrude the face, then bevel it. Shade smooth the sphere and enable the auto smooth. Press K to use knife tool and press C, cut through the mesh. Select the top and bottom faces, then duplicate the faces. Press P and click on selection. Extrude the faces along normal and add a subdivision surface modifier. Select the side faces, then duplicate the faces and press P and click on selection. Go to edit mode, then select the edges. Bevel that edges, then delete the faces. Extrude all faces along normal and add a subdivision surface modifier, also shade smooth them. Now apply all modifier. Now this time add some material all the objects. use Blender Cycle's render engine. Move the sci-fi drone along Z-axis. Press I for insert a keyframe in location and rotation. Change the timeline in Graph Editor. Select the Z location and press N for the side menu. Now add a noise modifier. Do same step on X rotation and Y rotation, but in there change the phases and offset of the noise modifier. Duplicate the drone. Press I for insert a keyframe in location and rotation, then add noise modifier in the Z location, X rotation, and Y rotation. Because this is the same process like before, I am fast forward the video. Now add a plane and make a background. Add some lights in our scene. Also add material in background plane.